position. Another example which is also very famous is from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And in some places, even in Sunni sources, it is reported from Imam Hussein alayhi salam that he quoted this, something very similar to this. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ مَعَالِيَ الْأُمُورِ وَأَشْرَافَهَا وَيَكْرَهُ سَفْسَافَهَا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves high affairs, means things which are honorable and in a very high standard. Not things which are very low and mean and or maybe just average. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ مَعَالِيَ الْأُمُورِ وَأَشْراف. So, inshallah we will explain this, that this is not contradicting humility. You can be a very humble person, but you have high aims. This is not arrogance. This is actually what a mu'min should be. There is another hadith, and this is from Amir al-Mu'minin alayhi salam. بالصبر تدرك معالي الأمور. With patience, one can reach high measures, high things, high affairs. بالصبر. Okay. So